Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya for those of you who don't know, and those of you who are here for the first time, you should subscribe. Okay, so this video I'm gonna show you how I got this twist out. I used two products that at first didn't seem like they would go good together, but I stand wrong. I was in a bind and I needed something to get the job done. And so I was able to come up with two products that I'm going to show you in a minute that allowed me to get this twist out, because I had a horror story on wash day. Well, actually, I'm trying to take better care of my hair now because I went for like 2 to 3 months without properly moisturizing. I wasn't washing it. I just had my braids tucked away under wigs, and I did that bantu knot style for a while, and so my hair was really dry. So now I'm going to take the exact advice of one of my naturalista sisters. Her name is Jasmine. Her wash day is Sunday, and then she co-washes on Wednesday, and so I'm going to try to moisturize and condition my hair, do the co-wash and wash thing twice a week, and then moisturize. I have to moisturize every day at this point because my hair is so dry, and so I'm on a hair journey. We're gonna make it happen, we're gonna make it work. So I said, let me take you guys along with me and let's see how my hair transforms and hopefully flourishes over this period of time. So if you want to see how I got this twist out, stay tuned. Look how I can cry tonight. My two Aunt Jackie products flaking together. Like, I don't understand. I'm here twisting my hair. Oh my god. I just washed my hair. Let's get into the twisting. So, like I said, I did my hair. Hold on. My hair is growing, y'all. Anyway, yeah, I twisted my hair the day before, and well, I started to use two Aunt Jackie's products, and woo, they started flaking during my twisting, and I was just like, my heart, like, after my hair was so nice and soft after that deep conditioning, I had to go wash my hair again. Anyway, so I was stuck in a bind, and one of my naturalista sisters reminded me that I need to go and restock on some new natural hair products. So I had to use what I had in my possession. And so I said, I do need to keep some moisture in my hair. So I wanted to still use the, let me take the price tag. Well, I mean, I bought this for $10.25 from Dream Girls Hair locally in the Bahamas. So this is the Aunt Jackie's In Control Moisturizing and Softening Conditioner. And so I use this, and what I put on top of it, now I hope none of y'all drag me, but this has been like a staple from I was in like high school. But you know, I was stuck in a jam. I cracked myself up. So I was stuck in a jam, and I used jam. And you know what? It worked pretty good today. Yesterday I had done my twists like pretty big because I really didn't want like a defined twist out, but I just wanted like some definition in my puff. It was cuter than this earlier. I had this like this when I worked out, but I had like the front down. I'm like on my face, and I pinned up the sides. You see what I'm working with? Yeah. So let's take this off now. I want to do it again, but I want to do it a little bit smaller. I hope my hair dries in the morning, and I really want to see if this can give me some definition and as well as keep my hair moist. And this might be a quicker, cheaper alternative to some of the other products that I use. My hair is now, my hair grew, but I have a situation in the back and I'm seeking counsel. But it's like broken off right there. And I would really like to shave the back of my head off and start over, but my husband won't let me do that. So anyway, enough talking. I am going to twist my hair again. So this is what I'm dealing with after today and picking it out. I like to start with the front of my hair, just because that's typically what I am going to wear out, and I want to make sure that the front of my hair dries for in the morning. I was taking a spray bottle with water and adding some water to my hair, and I'm probably just going to show you guys how I do a few twists, because I mean twists are pretty simple, and then come back and show y'all the results in the morning. So I'm going to take this section here, put this comb back in, and I'm going to take just, we say dime size, but this more like a quarter. I'm going to take a quarter size, I want to say, on this section of hair, and I want to like really work this in, because I have abused my hair for like at least the last 2 to 3 months, and so she is dry, she is crying, she is still stretched from the blowout that my hairstylist did when she braided my hair for a wig. So I'm working that in, right? And then I'm taking just a little bit of jam, just to give some hold to the hair. And before I used to braid my hair at the root and then twist down, but I realized that took longer to dry. So these days I just twist my hair straight down. Y'all think there are any YouTubers who have my hair texture? Because I feel like I never could tell, but maybe y'all seeing my hair on camera and then watching another YouTuber can tell me if you think someone has a similar pattern. Now this hair is fairly stretched because they were in twists before, but like I feel like my pattern is not really a pattern. But mind you, if I put some bentonite clay and apple cider vinegar in it, she get a little bit of definition, and then just give the end a little twirl instead of trying to twist it all the way down. And so that's what we're looking like, people. I was also speaking to the same natural Easter sister of mine. She was like, you don't just ever twist your hair to wear? And I'm like, First of all, I feel like I'd have to do them fairly small. And I don't use a comb for this, guys, because I'm loosening them out in the morning, so I don't have time for perfect parts. But she was saying like if I don't ever twist my hair to wear, I really don't, because I feel like personally I would want my hair to be thicker so that when I twist they like full. Like I think I'm guilty of the comparison game probably right now, because I look at other people who wear their twists and their hair still looks like full and their twists be juicy, and I'm like, that look good. But mine is be like spacey, and my twists look just like this, but then it's be like in patches because it ain't full enough for them all to be right next to each other. I feel like I can need all my twists big and juicy and right next to each other for me to do that. But anywho, and so this is how we look at it. And I like to run my hands down the shaft of the twist to pick up any excess product so that it will help it to dry quicker. And I think it will also help to prevent buildup to a degree too, instead of just letting all the extra products sit on my hair. So I'll just do this last one. So I like to do the front of my hair, and then I work my way like around the perimeter, because how I often sleep, I either sleep like with some pressure on the back or on the side. So I like to get those twists in first so they can have more time to dry. And then I work my way up to the center of my head, because I don't really sleep on the center of my head. Don't know if that's physically possible. So yeah. And I like to really grip that root. Grip that root and work my way down. And remember, however, whatever direction you twist the hair in to lay, that's the direction the twist will fall. So I want these twists in front on my face. So I'm sure to twist them forward as opposed to like twisting up and back. Yeah. So I'll come back once I'm all done so you can see my twists that I will not be wearing. And then tomorrow I will show you how they came out. So I said let me come back real quick, because like I said, I want to know if you guys think that there's a YouTuber with similar hair type to mine. And so this is my hair with some conditioner on it, and I actually just ran my this brush through it, and I got some curls popping. So that's what she's looking like. This is almost how my wash and goes look, but they clump a bit more when I use gel. So I'm back. These are my twists. I could have done them smaller, but I'm sleepy. But these took me like 35 minutes. Let me turn around so you can see. I'm pretty sure the back is like big and ugly, because 2 to 1. I'm still gonna pin up the back, because like I said, the situation right here where my hair broke off, I'm just trying to leave my hair be. So yeah, and like I said, and the thing is, my hair loves Aunt Jackie's. This is the flaxseed gel. It loves it. And so my friend Jasmine, she was like, oh, well, if your hair loves it, because I was looking for a leave-in conditioner. She's like, why don't you try something else from the line? And so I originally went in the store looking for the Curl La, and the store didn't have any. And so the girl was like, oh, maybe try the conditioner. It works just as good. And I was like, yeah, but I need a leave-in. She's like, yeah, you can leave this in. So I partially blame her. But with my twists the day before, with the jam and the conditioner, my hair was fine. When I do my wash and goes, when I do twist outs with just a regular moisturizer and this gel, my hair loves it too. Separate, they're wonderful. Together, baby, don't do it. So Auntie Jackie, I love you. My hair loves these products, but apart. And you know, it might be me. They might not supposed to be mixed, depending on the ingredients. Maybe I'll learn the science behind it. Maybe not. But ooh, Earl and water, they make a combination. They don't mix. So don't do what I did. But yeah, I'm gonna come back in the morning so we can see. I hope these look good, because I ran here flinging these twists. Yeah, but y'all see what I'm saying? Like, I feel like my hair is like flat and they so spacey, like they don't get full and next to each other like I would want if I were doing these to wear. So I still kind of did them like a medium size. Some are smaller than others. But yeah, this is what we're rocking with, and I'll see you in a jiffy. Okay, so it's the next day. I just unraveled the twists. I haven't fluffed them yet, and so I just want to do that real quick. Ooh, and she's bouncy. I like me gusta, me encanta. Trying to pick up on my Spanish. So. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you learned something. If you try this combination, please tag me in your pictures. I want to see. So we got our jam and we got our Aunt Jackie's Ink Control. And so, or maybe if you don't have the Aunt Jackie's, try any other conditioner that you have with the jam and let me know how it works. Because I think the jam is, it's like a gel, it gives you hold, but because it feels almost like a petroleum almost, it also gives like oil and shine. So this is actually like a 2-in-1. This is like a 2-in-1. Yeah, because my hair, I feel like my hair has shine. Now my natural hair color is this like kind of ashy black. Maybe I'll dye it, but it's moist and I feel like it has some shine. Alrighty, so if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, like and subscribe. Stay tuned for more videos. Alright, thanks, bye. R-E-S-P-C-T. I didn't really know that song, but struggles. Yeah. One day I'm going to afford a production team. One day, Jesus, one day. Sure. Got it. Is that all on her teeth? She got. Always check your teeth before you leave the house.